How to send Excel file to Gmail or how to save Excel file through Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can send or save Excel file to Gmail or through Gmail. Now, the process is quite simple and easy. First, what you'll need to do is download the Excel file as a document on your laptop or PC or on your device. Now here, if I head into my file manager here and head into downloads, under downloads, you'll find that I have downloaded here an XLS. You can see the document as an example. I just downloaded the sample here. Now, once you have the file downloaded, as you can see on the screen, once you have it downloaded on your laptop or PC, what you want to do is head into your browser, and on browser, searching for gmail.com. Simply type in gmail.com and enter it, and you can see my Gmail loading up. Now make sure to log into your account. Now here, to be able to share your XLS file or to share your Excel file, what you need to do is first head into the left, and here click on the compose icon here, click on compose option, and now type in the email that you want to send. I'll just type in an email here. This is my second account, and here on subject you can add in subject, you can add in emails as well. Now to add Excel file, what we're going to do is first here at down below you can see attach files option icon here. Simply click on this icon here and you'll be able to see your browse through your PC files here. Now what you want to do is head into the folder where you have downloaded the Excel file. In my case, it's here on downloads. You can see file example XLS. Simply click on it and then click on open, and this will load up here. Now you can see it's loading up. Now what you want to do is simply click on send, and you can send it. So this way you can send Excel file to Gmail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.